Woo. It's time to play some Brawlhalla. Let's go. I've got Cassidy, baby. Let's go. Whoa. You. Gonna pay for that. Alright, let's rock and roll. Let's do this. Yeah. Brawling time, baby. Rawr. Gotcha. No. Too quick. Oh yeah. Ha ha ha. Woo. Yes. No, no, no. No. Gonna have to get that guy. Wait. What the heck happened? Okay. There we go. Take that, punk. Wait a minute. Nope. Yes. Woo. Rock and roll, baby. You can't stop Wolfster. Yeah, go Wolf. Oh. Now that's how you get rid of a problem. No. 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 Nice. Come on. Oh, that's not cool. Come on. No. No. Where's my weapon? Nice. Yeah, that guy's pretty good. Don't worry, folks. I'm gonna keep second place. Alright guys, looks like we got a bad sport, but hey, whatever. Thank you guys for watching. Woo.